Let's add and subtract monomials. So number 1, 5x squared plus 3x squared. So tingnan nyo, parehong x squared yung variable. Ang tawag dyan ay like terms. So kopyahin lang natin. So kinokopya lang yon, and then i-add yung 5 and 3. So 5 plus 3 is 8. 8x squared ang sagot. Next, number 2. 7y minus 4y. So, like terms pa rin. Yan, kopyahin lang yung y. And 7 minus 4 equals 3. 3y ang sagot. Next, number 3. 2ab plus 6ab minus ab. So, pareho lang naman. Like terms yung tatlo. Yeah. Kopyahin yung AB at 2 plus 6 is 8. And 8 minus 1. So, di ba AB lang? Wala kayo nakikita na 1. Pero meron yung 1. Hindi lang sinusulat. So, 2 plus 6 is 8 minus 1, 7. So, 7AB ang sagot sa number 3. Next, multiplying monomials naman. So, pag nag-multiply tayo ng monomials, so ang exponent ng variables ay ina-add. So, x cubed times x raised to 4. So, 3 plus 4 is 7. X raised to 7 ang sagot. Nandito naman, 2 times 3 equals 6. And x squared times x cubed, i-add lang, 2 plus 3 ay kopya yung x and 5. So, gano'n. And then, negative 4 times 3 is negative 12. At yung x, so x, wala kang nakikita na exponent. Meron niyang 1. No? Copy. So, 1 plus 2 equals 3. So, negative ang sagot kasi nag-multiply tayo ng negative to positive. The answer is always negative. And then, mag-divide tayo. So, pag nag-divide naman, mina-minus yung exponent kapag nagde-divide. So, x raised to 6 minus x squared. So, 6 minus 2 equals 4. X raised to 4 ang sagot. And then number 8, 6 divided by 2 equals 3. 6 divided by 2 equals 3. And 5 minus 3 equals 2. So, x squared. At eto, so x cubed